Hi there, this is Design and Technology. Today I'm going to be providing teachers who want to start a Minecraft classroom this week for their students. The very first thing is you got to create a world, and you're going to set up the following things. Make sure it's creative, it's peaceful. Permission level for students is member. The world is infinite. Don't worry about seed. And then slide all the way down. Oh, show coordinates. That's always helpful. And show classroom settings. Personally, I prefer that they do not blow things up, take on damage, or attack each other. After that, click on host, and you're good to go. Let's just recap. Hit escape. You'll notice that there is a world here. Go to settings, confirm that everything is set up, especially with the classroom. Great. Now, if you click on join code, you'll see what they are. This one is going to be fish, book and quill, llama, and balloon. Generally, if you're logging on from a PC to a PC that has the server, it should be fine. I've had troubles using Mac, unless they're in the local network. The next thing you would do is set a spawn point. So I'll show you how to do that. We're going to go to an opening, clearing I should say. This looks perfect. I'm going to be right here. We're going to hit enter, front slash, and we're going to set world spawn. And there you have it. -1, 66, 66. Every student that comes on will log on and be here. So I like to leave a sign with some instructions. Right click on it. And there you can see it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. You've been watching Design and Technology.